Good night, Mr. Theo. Today we will going to present a research paper. The title is Proactive Keystroke Monitoring to Defend Against Bad USB Attack. The the research was written by Muhammad Hafiz and Omar Justice, and the focus of this study is on the new type of cyber threat called bad USB, specifically the USB rubber ducky device, and how we can defend against it. And the author uh, purpose a system called USB rubber ducky hunter, which uses keystroke monitoring as a proactive method to detect and stop malicious USB attack. In this presentation, we will explain the background of the problem, the the purpose system, the experimental result, and the conclusion from the study. Okay. Next, in the background, the study explained how the rapid growth of digital technology give us efficiency and better connectivity. And but at the same time, it also opens the door to new types of cyber threat. One of the most dangerous threat is called the bad USB attack, especially when is carry out using a device known as the USB rubber ducky. This device look like a normal flash disk, but actually in behaviors like a fake keyboard. It can inject command at a speed much faster than a human can typing. The problem is that traditional defense, such as antivirus, firewall, or even BIOS restriction, are not effective enough to stop the kind of attack. That is why research started to find a new solution. Next is the objective of this research is to develop a proactive defense system that can protect against bad USB attack. The method used here is keystroke speed monitoring, which mean the system look at the speed of typing to detect abnormal pattern that may come from a device like the USB rubber ducky. Another important point is that the system offers several different security modes, so it can be adapted for various environments. With this approach, the research contributes both practical solution for real world use, the theoretical knowledge for the file of cybersecurity. The next is this slide explain the main problem addresses in the journal. According to the study, there is currently no effective in real-time detection mechanism for USB keystroke injection attack. The traditional security measures such as antivirus software and firewall are unable to block HID-based attack like the USB rubber ducky because this attack exploit the system trust in input device such as a keyboard. In addition, most existing solution often require hardware modification or BIOS level protection, which makes them inflexible and difficult to implement in the real world environment. The study highlight the need for a more adaptive and practical defense system. And this slide present basic theory from the journal. According to the study, but USB attack expert the trash computer placed in USB device. The USB rubber ducky is particularly effective because it look like a normal USB types at extreme high speed and can bypass traditional antivirus protection while existing defense mechanisms such as USB look and good USB are available. They are mostly reactive and have significant limitation. They do not provide real-time protection, leave, leaving a gap that the journal purpose system aims to address. Okay, next slide.
So I'm gonna present the system design. Our system is called USB Rubber Ducky Hunter. It works by monitoring keystroke interval in real time. Human typing is always irregular, but a bad USB device types at a constant and a very high speed, abnormal one. By checking this difference, the system can recognize and attack it. It was built with Python, tested on Windows, and it doesn't need an extra hardware. Next. So for the experiment, we test the system on a Windows 10 PC using Python. We use rubber ducky payloads like opening command prompt, downloading files, and creating unauthorized accounts. Detection was based on keystroke speed, and we evaluate accuracy, false, false positive, response times, and resource usage. As for the result and findings, the paranoid mode gave the strongest protection by blocking all malicious input. Uh, the next one is the sneaky mode. It tricked attackers by disrupting the payload silently, uh, but the normal mode only allowed the user, so it does nothing. So the attack could still run. And last but not least, log only mode was useful for monitoring and forensic, but it didn't stop the attack in real time. Next. So the conclusion on bad USB attacks are a serious risk, but our system shows that keystroke speed monitoring is an effectiveness defense. It is lightweight, accurate, and flexible, although it still has limitation against deeper attacks like BIOS or firmware. So our suggestion is for future work, we suggest adding machine learning for smarter detection, USB fingerprint, and making it compatible with Linux and macOS. So organizations should also combine the system with security policies and awareness. training to strengthen overall protection. That's all from us. Maybe uh, we can close our presentation. After this, we are gonna do some question and answer session, and it it takes a different path because we don't have the question yet. So we end our presentation here. Thank you, Mr. Tio, for your attention, and goodbye.